let's shift our attention now to the torrential rains on Saturday night that have triggered multiple landslides across Darjeeling district, claiming 7 lives and leaving several others missing. The West Bengal government is yet to issue a detailed statement and the official number of the death toll, but the continuous downpour has severely disrupted connectivity in the region, prompting authorities to issue urgent safety advisories. In fact, the Gorkha Land Territorial Administration has also announced the closure of all tourist spots until further notice, owing to the situation, to ensure the safety of the visitors in the hill station. The district administration has also urged both residents as well as tourists to remain indoors and venture out only when it is absolutely necessary. You're looking at the visuals on your screens where, because of the rains, many areas have been impacted, and Darjeeling is one city that sees a lot of tourists. Now, because of the heavy rains, tourists have also been advised to stay indoors. All right, breaking updates now coming in. The Prime Minister has also taken stock, and he says, and I quote, "Deeply pained by the loss of lives due to a bridge mishap in Darjeeling. Condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. May the injured recover soon." The situation in Darjeeling and surrounding areas is being closely monitored in the wake of the heavy rains and landslides. We are committed to providing all possible assistance to those affected. So the Prime Minister has also taken stock of the tragedy in Darjeeling, going on to mention the lives that have been lost and the infrastructure that has been damaged, going on to say that all assistance is being provided to ensure that all those who are affected are helped. The Prime Minister has tweeted in this regard, and the situation still remains grim. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, the Prime Minister has also taken note. We're also looking at the visuals of the bridge that collapsed because of the torrential rains. What is the update on the number of lives that have been lost and the situation there currently?
Absolutely. As you see that in the morning, as you have seen, there were 7 lives which was lost. But at the moment, the report that we are getting to understand, even though there is no official records to it, but we are getting to understand there are more than 15 lives which have been lost. 3 NDRF team has also reached the area for rescue as of now. Also, the Bengal police has set up their hotline numbers for tourists which are stranded and also of the residents. Alongside, to understand, even the Dudia bridge has collapsed today morning. The alternative route to Sikkim via 717E, the NH, has also been blocked by the landslide which took place in the morning at Pedong and Rishikola, which has cut off the key connections of the state. The authorities are still monitoring the area, and we are getting to understand that the area, like death tolls, may also increase. Also, to understand, the Teesta River has overflown onto the national highway, which has submerged various parts of the Teesta Bazaar, the 29 Balukhola, which has also led to the closure of National Highway 10. The bridge that you were talking about was the iron bridge that was a major connectivity between Mirik and Dudia, which has also collapsed. And this iron bridge also stood as a major connectivity between Shiliguri and Mirik, cutting out the connection between the Darjeeling town in hole in hole. The popular road like Rohini Road, which is also well known among the tourists, has incurred severe losses, has been severely damaged. You can see that roads have slipped off. And today morning, as you mentioned, that the Gorkha Land Territorial Administration has also...
Multiple roads being affected, connectivity being disrupted, and an advisory also being given out for all residents and also the tourists to ensure that they remain indoors until the situation comes under control. Ridhita, thank you for joining us with those details.